It's a 2012 Toyota Camry Hybrid. There's no compromising here. This hybrid gives you fuel efficiency without sacrificing the fast lane. It comes with great features you love: external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com found that it shares all the attributes that make the conventional Camry one of the best-selling family sedans out there. A comfortable cruiser, more than adequate power, a top-notch interior, lots of amenities, and plenty of room for 5. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.